Let's take a look at another way of solving the palindrome problem. Of this solution, I will use the array helper every function. Like every element here is gonna like 1 less than 4 true, 30 less than 4 true. Like in every element, if it's turned to be true, all the expression here gonna turn to be true. If have 50, it's gonna be 4. Then all the expression here gonna turn to be 4. Like every function is the return gonna be like Boolean value. Let's back into our solution right here. First thing we will do, we will turn the string into the array. Like remember, string do not have access to every helper. It's only array. As you say str dot split with an empty string dot every function, and in every function arrow function, in every function gonna have 2 arguments. The first argument here gonna be each of character in the array right here. I will say char is the short for character, and the character here. Later on, we will figure out some way how to get access to every element on the another side of the array. Like example, like return the ABB string right here to be array. Example ABBA right here. We want the first element, first I index here, compare with the end of the index, and the second compare with the nearby like index. That's why we call it one to another side of the index. So the second element of in the every function right here, I will say index. I will call ith of like index of the element that we are currently iterate overall. That's why I will say short for the I. So now inside of this function, we can return the comparison like compare char, oh, compare char here, char, comparison between the current element and like we want to compare with another site in the layer. To get another side of an array, I would say string dot, like I would say string is string str dot length minus 1. I will say minus I and minus 1 first. Like right here, it's gonna be minus I. Right here is I will increment for every step through the loop or through every function. And the minus 1 right here, I want to make sure that I will take all like the end or like overall the length. And the last one, I need to make sure that I return the result to every function call. Yeah. And if we run this string here, gonna tend to be false. And if we run the string abba, gonna turn to be true. Yeah, true. That's it for the palindrome. Use the every helper function, but keep in mind every helper function is gonna compare like the first to the last and the second to another, and then we will compare the last to the first, and this to the second, like double comparison is not necessary. That's why the first solution maybe is the better